Thanks for joining us on this Christmas night. I'm Miranda Parnell. For a second day in a row, Florida has set a new record for most new cases of the pandemic. Today, the state reported 32,850 new cases, breaking the record for daily cases set just one day before. This brings our 7-day average for new cases up to 21,125, passing the 20K mark for the first time since the peak of the summer surge caused by the Delta variant. The CDC shows that 41 of Florida's 67 counties, including most of the ones here in the Bay Area, are now considered a high risk of community transmission. Now, hospitals in Florida are preparing for the worst Omicron may bring. While the number of Floridians in the hospital is nowhere near what we saw this past summer, it's still going up. 10 Tampa Bay's Miguel Octavio shares us what has hospitals worried.
Hospitals and staff haven't had a break from COVID.
Nearly 2 years that they have been on the front line.
Cases are up, staff are down, and administrators worry Omicron will send more essential workers home to recover and leave them short-staffed.
That's what has us up at night, and the plans we're making now is to try to really keep our staff safe.
Tampa General Hospital says right now it's working to make sure it has enough supplies and workers.
Well, we're still in such a recovery mode from what we experienced with the Delta surge, compounded by one of the worst workforce shortages that our hospitals have experienced in decades.
Hospitals say they also worry about the mental strain on already short-staffed workers.
We are better positioned, but certainly remain concerned about the stress and fatigue that our healthcare staff still experience.
But the president of the Florida Hospital Association insists the state is ready. She points out how hospitals fought off another surge this past summer and are ready to do it again.
There is a weariness, but there is also a resilience, and that is critically important.
And healthcare workers are urging Floridians again to do their part to prevent a repeat of this summer. They say for those who haven't already done it, get vaccinated and boosted.